Hello Georgia 4-Hers, my name is Craven Hudson. I'm on the state 4-H staff, and one of the things I give leadership to is the forestry contest. Today,
in the forests of North Georgia or the fields of South Georgia, you'll often find Craven Hudson, Extension 4-H specialist, leading youth with purpose and passion. From forestry field days to land judging contests, Craven coordinates hands-on programs that teach thousands of Georgia 4-H participants critical thinking, public speaking, and problem-solving skills. His reach extends even further through Project Safe and Project Achievement, programs that empower young people to grow with confidence.
Hey Georgia 4-Hers, one of the very best ways to come up with an accurate volume estimation is
Craven's 4-H journey began in Red Bank, Virginia, inspired by his mother, a community club leader. That early spark led to a lifelong career in Extension, including 25 years in North Carolina before joining Georgia 4-H in 2014. Today, he's known for his boundless energy, whether he's building archery targets, training volunteers, or sprinting around 4-H events getting everything ready. He's especially passionate about volunteers, calling them the backbone of 4-H. From certified safe coaches to expert judges, these adults help youth of all abilities thrive and even become state winners. As Craven nears 40 years in Extension, his mission remains clear: help young people find their spark and celebrate their success, whether in the woods, on the range, or in a three-piece suit at State Congress. Georgia 4-H, serving, leading, and inspiring every day of the year.